Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to upload a video to your Google Sites website. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and go over to the official Google Sites website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your Google account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to see all the options that you have to access, and here we will be able to see all of the websites that we have on Google Sites. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this site right here by clicking on it, and this will now open up the site in the page. So as you can see here guys, here I have a web page called YouTube tutorial. Let's say that I want to insert some videos right here. If I go right here and look at the right side of the screen, there is an insert option right here. And here we have the option to insert a text box, an image, embed, drive, and so on. And as you can see here guys, there is no option to insert a video. Why is that guys? Because Google Sites does not allow you to insert a video from your computer. But guys, that doesn't mean you cannot insert a video at all. What you have to do guys is you cannot insert it from your computer, you have to upload the video from your Google Drive. So basically what we're going to do is go ahead and open up Google Drive, and now we're going to go ahead and find the video that we want to upload. I'm going to scroll down all the way down until I find the video that I want to upload. This is the video right here that I'm going to be uploading, and all I have to do guys is just go ahead and click on the video, double click on the video, or you can insert it, drag it, but you can better be just by double clicking. And now guys, you can see that we have successfully added the video to our website. We can now go ahead and put it wherever we want. You can put it right here, choose wherever you want to put it in the page, and after that is finished guys, you have successfully added the video, and now people visiting the page will be able to see the video. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.